I was asked if I could put on a video showing how I run my machines for running really large group liners. And this is a Soba Ace. It's got a set of Wesley Verity. These are 8 layer, matched up to a 47 cap, and they're 3/8 of an inch cores on this one, which is roughly 9mm. All this together makes for a set of coils that, once properly tuned, we're running really low volts with quite a lot of force of hit. We start at 3.5 volts. This will run anywhere from an 11 round shader on an 11 loose liner all the way up to 18s. Three and a half is a wee bit plain it. We'll go up to 4 volts just to increase the force of hit. You can see it's a lot harder hitting. Quite a long throw in this. And I'll go up to 4.5 volts is usually where I start once it's loaded. 4.5 volts unloaded, it's brutal. Okay, once again, thanks for watching.